Very good morning, children. Today we'll continue the chapter Plant Life and the topic is respiration. Children, you know about respiration that every living being, they respire throughout their life. And every living organism, they also require energy for various activities and maintaining their life. So, from where this energy comes? So, this energy comes by the breakdown of digested food by the process of respiration. So, how can we define respiration? So, the process of releasing energy from food is called respiration. Now, there are two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration uses oxygen and anaerobic respiration, oxygen is not used. Come to aerobic respiration. Now, in aerobic respiration, complete oxidation of food takes place or complete breakdown of food takes place into carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now, here see glucose, this is a food, and in the presence of oxygen, it liberated carbon dioxide, water and energy. Now, in anaerobic respiration, the microorganisms like the yeast, they break down or they break this glucose into alcohol and carbon dioxide and they release energy. But very less amount of energy is released in this anaerobic respiration. So here glucose, no oxygen. So what is the product? Alcohol. That is ethyl alcohol or ethanol is formed. Then carbon dioxide and energy. Now this energy is only 2 ATP. Okay. So let's come to stages of respiration. So children, in all living organisms, the process of respiration takes place in two stages. External respiration, internal or cellular respiration. So what is external respiration or breathing? It is a physical process. It involves the breathing in oxygen rich air and breathing out carbon dioxide rich air. So the process of breathing in oxygen rich air is known as inhalation, whereas the breathing out of carbon dioxide rich air is known as exhalation. So internal or cellular respiration. Now this respiration or this internal or cellular respiration takes place inside the cell and it is a biochemical process. In this, complete breakdown of glucose takes place with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide, water and energy. We can represent this by the following reaction. This is glucose or food C6H12O6 plus in the presence of oxygen. They are liberating carbon dioxide, water and energy. This energy is 38 ATP. Now the reactions which involve in cellular respiration are, because you know children that the oxygen is needed in this process, so it comes or breaking out the glucose, so it comes from the inhalation of the air. Now in this reaction it shows the oxidation of glucose molecule. So the glucose, they break down to release the carbon dioxide, water and a lot of energy. Now the reaction, it is a series of reactions which are controlled by different enzymes. Then the energy which is liberated in this reaction is in the form of ATP. Now the full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. ATP, it is an energy-rich chemical substance which is stored in the cells and broken down any time to release the energy. Now we can say that the process of respiration involves the breakdown of food materials to ATP molecules, carbon dioxide and water and in the presence of oxygen. Now cellular respiration is similar in all living beings. Now come to site of respiration. Now the process of respiration partially takes place in cytoplasm and partially it takes place in mitochondria. Now the respiration in plants is different from animals in three aspects. Now, all the parts of a plant, they perform respiration individually. That means root, stem and leaves, they perform the process of respiration individually. While the animals, they perform respiration as a single unit. During respiration in plants, there is a little transport of respiratory gases from one part to the other. Whereas in animals, the gases, they are usually transported over long distances. The respiration in plants, it occurs in a very slow rate, whereas in animals, it occurs at much faster rate. Now, respiration in plants we'll study in our next class. Till then, have a nice day.